Let's jump into it. Number 1. Don't text while driving. Modern life often feels like it demands constant multitasking. But when it comes to driving, splitting your attention is not just risky, it's deadly. Every time you glance at a message, you remove your eyes from the road for a second, which can determine life or death. Studies show that reading or typing a text while driving can delay your reaction time more than driving under the influence of alcohol. That's how dangerous distraction is. The human brain isn't built to process two high-focus tasks simultaneously. Driving requires constant micro-decisions, judging speed, anticipating movement, and scanning mirrors. Add texting to that equation, and your reaction time slows drastically. The reason this rule exists isn't about control or paranoia. It's about physics and biology. Your brain's cognitive bottleneck can't handle two streams of information at once. Every quick reply could be the second that changes everything. So, when you're behind the wheel, silence the phone. Put it on Do Not Disturb, or use Siri if truly necessary. Protecting your life and the lives of others is worth more than any message. No text is worth a tragedy. Number 2. Arrive 5 to 10 minutes early. Punctuality isn't just about time, it's about respect. Arriving early demonstrates discipline, foresight, and consideration for others' schedules. When you show up 5 to 10 minutes before an appointment, meeting, or event, you create a mental buffer. That small window allows you to breathe, adjust, and observe your environment before diving into action. The deeper reason behind this rule is psychological. People who plan to arrive early are often calmer, more organized, and better prepared to handle surprises. On the other hand, rushing to be on time often triggers stress hormones, clouding your focus before the event even begins. Moreover, punctuality builds reputation. Those who respect time are trusted with responsibility. Whether it's a job interview, a business meeting, or even a casual hangout, being early communicates reliability. It silently says that you are dependable and take this seriously. Being late occasionally happens to everyone, but making earliness a habit changes how the world sees you. It turns you from someone who's always catching up to someone who's always in control. Number 3. Spend less than you earn. This is one of life's simplest, yet most violated financial rules. The math is obvious. If more money leaves your wallet than enters it, trouble is inevitable. Yet many people live paycheck to paycheck, not because of low income, but because of uncontrolled spending. The wisdom behind this rule lies in self-control and foresight. Financial peace isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Living below your means creates room for savings, investments, and emergencies. It shields you from panic when unexpected expenses strike. Even wealthy individuals collapse financially when they overextend their lifestyle. A bigger salary can't save someone with bigger spending habits. When you spend less than you earn, you create freedom, the ability to say no, to take risks, to pursue passion projects without fear of starvation. This rule also fights the illusion of status. Many buy things to impress others, forgetting that debt and stress will follow those choices. True wealth is quiet. It's the calm that comes from knowing your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and your future is secure. Number 4. Never make decisions when you are angry. Anger is one of the most powerful emotions and one of the most deceptive. When we're angry, our brain chemistry changes. Adrenaline floods the system, narrowing our focus and overriding logic. That's why many regret what they say or do in moments of rage. This rule exists because anger distorts perception. It makes small issues feel monumental and reasonable solutions seem insulting. Neuroscientists have proven that the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rational thought, essentially goes offline when you're furious. That means you're operating from your primitive instincts, not your intellect. By waiting until the anger subsides, You regain your ability to see clearly. What felt like betrayal might reveal itself as a misunderstanding. Something that seemed unforgivable may turn out trivial. Wise people understand that silence in anger is strength, not weakness. In relationships, leadership, and life, emotional control separates those who react from those who respond. Walking away doesn't mean losing. It means preserving your dignity and preventing damage that words or actions could cause in the heat of emotion. Number 5. Sleep before major decisions. The phrase "sleep on it" has been passed down for generations, and science confirms its wisdom. When we rest, our brain doesn't just shut off, it reorganizes information, processes emotions, and strengthens memory connections. This is especially critical when facing big choices involving relationships, careers, or finances. Sleep allows the prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for reasoning and judgment, to recharge. Without rest, you're more impulsive and emotionally driven. That's why decisions made late at night or under fatigue often feel regrettable the next morning. Lack of sleep blurs logic and amplifies fear, urgency, or temptation, 3 of the worst states to make decisions in. When you sleep before deciding, your subconscious continues working on the problem, filtering emotions and presenting clearer insights the next day. A refreshed mind brings balance. It separates what you want now from what will truly benefit you later. In a world that glorifies hustle, resting before deciding isn't laziness, it's strategic wisdom. Number 6. Document everything in business. In business, memory fades, but written records endure. Whether you're sealing a deal, managing clients, or running a small enterprise, documentation protects you. It clarifies terms, prevents misunderstandings, and serves as proof if conflicts arise. Many entrepreneurs have lost money or relationships, not because they were dishonest, but because they relied on verbal agreements. The rule to document everything exists because business runs on accountability, not trust alone. Even between friends or long-time partners, clear written terms prevent future resentment. A simple email recap, signed receipt, or written contract can save thousands and maintain professionalism. Documentation also helps with continuity. If you forget details or an employee leaves, records ensure operations remain smooth. In essence, paper or digital records outlast memory, excuses, and manipulation. Those who keep track are those who stay in control. It's not cynicism, it's maturity. Business without documentation is like sailing without a compass. You might move fast, but you'll get lost when the winds change. Number 7. Never burn bridges. Life is unpredictable, and the people you meet on your way up are often the same you'll meet on your way down. Never burn bridges means leaving relationships, jobs, and partnerships respectfully, no matter how things end. Even when others wrong you, departing with grace preserves your reputation and sometimes your future opportunities. This rule exists because the world is small and industries are interconnected. A single word from a former colleague or client can open or close doors years later. People remember how you made them feel more than what you achieved. Walking away with dignity doesn't just protect your name, it builds emotional maturity and long-term influence. Holding grudges or seeking revenge burns energy better spent building your future. Many have learned that the very people they once dismissed later became the gatekeepers to opportunities. So even if you can't stay friends, leave with peace. The high road may be lonely, but it always leads further. Number 8. Don't grocery shop when hungry. This may sound trivial, but it's a powerful rule about human psychology and self-control. Shopping while hungry drastically alters perception and decision-making. Hunger triggers the brain's reward system, making unhealthy or unnecessary foods seem more appealing. Studies have shown that people buy up to 60% more snacks and processed foods when they shop on an empty stomach. This principle extends beyond groceries. It's a metaphor for life decisions. When you're in a state of emotional or physical need, you tend to choose based on impulse rather than logic. Hunger, loneliness, and stress all cloud judgment. Shopping after a meal or making lists before entering the store prevents regretful purchases and wasted money. The deeper lesson? Never make choices while your basic needs are unmet. Whether it's buying food, picking partners, or negotiating deals, decide from a place of satisfaction, not desperation. Control your state first, then make your move. That's how wise people avoid costly mistakes. We'll leave it there for today. More of this coming soon, so do consider subscribing.